everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are exploring an amazing AI tool called Jitter. Jitter is a powerful AI-based motion design platform that elevates your creativity. With its user-friendly interface and customizable templates, you can create stunning animated text, dynamic video, and engaging visuals within just few minutes. Also, you don't even have to require any designing experience. All you have to do is just select the template what you like and customize it accordingly. Jitter has a feature like drag and drop editing, pre-made effects, and seamless export that make it perfect for all you need. I'll show you how to create text and logo animation in today's video. Let's get started. I'm logged in with my Google account as always. So after login, you just have to answer those few questions that they are asking. I'll quickly answer those questions and we are ready to dive in. You will also be promoted to view their upgrade plans for studio or enterprise users. Once you're past that, the interface appears clean and intuitive. At the top of the screen, you will find the template options. Jitter offers various template categories like social media, video tiles, community posts, and more. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the template demonstration how it works. On the timeline, you can see the sequence of animation of your video. On the left side of the screen, you will find the layer panel where you can lock or unlock layer. On the right side, there are two main tabs, a design tab and an animate tab. In design tab, you can customize your element like text, shape, in size, color, and other alignments also. Once you save your design elements and custom according to your customization, switch to animate section. Here you will notice the text color change and you can also modify shapes like star or circle. Adjusting the animation timings is easy. Just drag slider when each animation is begin. Play the result in just few minutes. We are creating an amazing animated text using a template. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, make the process smooth and enjoyable. Once you finish, you can export your animation. Note that the free downloads is only in 720p. For the HD or higher resolution, you have to upgrade your plan. Fantastic. Now let's move on a logo animation. First, I'll duplicate the screen on the timeline. You can adjust the position of the text animation. You will see a layer for the logo image. If you hide this layer, the logo disappears. I will delete the placeholder logo and upload the Generative Coach logo in PNG format. After importing, I will position it and double tap on the text, customize it, and then play the animation. Once you satisfied, export in the same way as we do in a previous. Jitter offers an impressive varieties of templates. As a social media influencer, you can use these templates to create engaging reels and boost your content. Jitter is a free and incredibly easy to use. So that's it for today's video. If you are interested in learning more about AI tools for graphic design, digital marketing, and productivity, subscribe to our channel Generative Coach. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, and follow us on our Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.